So in this video, I'll show you the easiest and legal method to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or computer. All you have to do is open the Microsoft Store app from the taskbar, or if you don't see the app here, use the Windows search box to open the Store app. Once open, click on the search box and here type WhatsApp. Now click on Install and the Microsoft Store will download and install the WhatsApp app on your Windows computer. Once it downloads, click on the Windows search box, type WhatsApp, right click and click on Pin to Taskbar and the WhatsApp icon will be shown in the taskbar. Now to connect a WhatsApp account, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Tap on the three dots, tap on the Link Devices option, then link a device and simply scan the QR code that's showing on your computer. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.